The one-screen core is equipped with a wide range of pre-installed applications to enhance productivity, engagement, and communication. Thanks to its EDLA certification, you can seamlessly install and use all your favorite apps from the Google Play Store with ease. To access the installed apps, simply go to the app drawer or press the Apps button on the navigation toolbar. You can also add more apps by visiting the Play Store. Sign into the Play Store. And use the search button on the left to find what you need. Just tap on the app you want, press Install, and then Open to launch it right away. The app will now always be available in the app drawer. Please note, some organizations or schools may restrict users from downloading apps from the Play Store, depending on their management settings. To uninstall an app, press and hold its icon, then drag it to the uninstall option at the top of the screen. And remember, if you ever run into any issues with an app, the One Screen Guru team is here to help.